Hey, good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay, so good morning. Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering break room. My name is Wei Ku. I'm a faculty member in the department and also co-chair for the department. I would like to welcome you to the department, and today I'm going to give you an overview about the mechanical engineering department here at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. So this is our mission. So the mechanical engineering department is strived to provide quality education, research, and service to our graduates and prepare them for successful Okay. So let me continue this overview of the department. So again, so our mission to provide quality education, research, and service to our graduates and prepare them for successful engineering and professional careers and leadership roles, with lifelong learning and ethical conduct that will lead them to be engaged, responsible citizens, engineers, and professionals in their community and the world. So this is what we want to achieve at the department, and to support our students to ultimately reach this goal. So degrees offered in our department, we offer degrees of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, and Doctor of Philosophy in Mechanical Engineering. Okay, the BSME program is accredited by ABET. So this is the US accrediting board for engineering programs. So many employers and they only hire people graduated from ABET accredited programs. We are part of that accredited program. So this is a summary. If you're incoming freshman, you're still not sure about what mechanical engineers do down the road. So this is the summary of a brief summary of what mechanical engineers do upon graduate. In practice. So mechanical engineers create and develop mechanical systems for all humankind. Concerned with the principles of force, energy, and motion, mechanical engineers use their knowledge of design, manufacture, and operational processes to advance the world around us, enhancing safety, economic vitality, and enjoyment throughout the world. This is taken from a statement in American Society for Mechanical Engineers, ASME. Okay. So this is the number of students enrolled in mechanical engineering. Actually, you probably know that in the college, we have 3 departments: civil engineering, including construction engineering, electrical engineering, including computer engineering, and mechanical engineering. So in spring 2021, we have 338 undergrad students enrolled in mechanical engineering, which is actually largest among the 3 departments. And this is this graduate student enrollment, and this is the total number of students enrolled in our program. Again, we have the largest enrollment in our program compared to the other departments. Okay. So we have 17 full-time faculty who teach mechanical engineering courses in our program, and they work in the following 5 major research areas: thermal fluid mechanics, materials, aerospace engineering, and biomedical engineering. Okay, I'm going to introduce you. You will not see those faculties until probably your 3rd year in the program. First 2 years, you're going to spend most of your time to take science courses and math courses. But after the first 2 years, you're going to start to enroll into engineering courses, and you'll be in close contact with those faculties. So those are the 5 faculties in the thermal fluid field, the 6 faculties in the mechanics field, 3 faculties in the material field, and also 2 faculty in aerospace engineering, and 1 faculty in biomedical engineering. Okay. So who else on mechanical engineering teaching faculty? We have a number of highly qualified people, engineers, teach on our faculty. So one of them is Dr. Marvin Young, and who teaches system engineering and Pearl Harbor Naval Shipyard internship courses in our department. And Dr. Yang is a retired vice president of a leading aerospace engineering company in California. So after he retired, came back to Hawaii and teach in our department. And also we have Dr. Trevor Sorensen teach design courses in our department, senior design courses in our department. And he was previously with NASA. He was a NASA researcher and the manager of NASA Clementine lunar mission, the mission that discovered water on the moon. Okay. So I'm going to give a brief overview of ME courses, the courses that you need to take in the next 4 years or 5 years before you receive a degree from our department. So the total degree requirement include 40 courses, total 40 courses. And so that 40 courses include 18 courses which are college requirement, and 22 courses which is mechanical engineering required. So this is the mostly fundamental courses. Those are mostly engineering courses. For example, the 22 mechanical ME required courses include like 14 ME required courses, 3 ME technical elective courses, 2 electrical engineering courses, 1 civil engineering courses, 1 math course, and 1 physics course. So this is the department requirement, and those are the college requirements. But they are listed in your check sheet. So you just need to follow the sequence semester by semester, 1 by year. So you're on your way to graduate from our department with a bachelor degree. So this is actually a summary of the ME curriculum. So again, these are the major science courses, which include college chemistry course, college physics course, and those are the math courses, which include 4 semesters of calculus course and 1 semester of differential equation course. So after you finish those science and math courses, you are ready to take engineering courses, which include basic engineering courses. This is the mechanics specialty courses, thermofluid specialty courses, material specialty courses, and also design courses, design projects. Finally, you need to take 3 technical elective courses to graduate. Okay. So we have a number of programs to further enhance learning experience in our department, which include aerospace engineering concentration. So this is a new program which that is launched this fall semester, this first time. And so for students who are interested in aerospace engineering, they can take a number of courses related to that particular field. So when they graduate from our department, they still have a degree, bachelor degree in mechanical engineering. However, they carry a concentration in aerospace engineering. So another program we have is accelerated bachelor and master program. This is, we call it 4+1 program. So basically, if you choose to take this program, you can get not only a bachelor degree and also master degree, graduate degree in 5 years. Okay. We have this educational partnership agreement with Pearl Harbor Naval Shipyard. We have a number of projects with the naval, with the Pearl Harbor, basically provide the student opportunity to gain real-world engineering experience by working with Pearl Harbor. Okay, and also we are part of this National Security Innovation Network. So we work with a number of defense agencies to work on some real projects in that field, engineering project in that field. So I'm going to show you a video which shows the project our students worked on. So what ME students do. Okay. So they built a rocket, and this is the launch that rocket. Okay. So this is another one.
A UH team of engineering students has such a need for speed, they manufactured a racing car. Then they put it to the test at an international competition. Jim Mendoza reports.
The car is a cross between a souped-up go-kart and a Formula One racer. It was designed and built by the UH Rainbow Warrior Racing team.
It really looks like and feels like a real race car. So this thing can really get up there, and it's very quick on start.
18 engineering students manufactured the 500-pound speedster that runs on high-octane fuel and can hit 80 miles an hour.
I was one of the drivers during the autocross session, and for one, the car is really low and it's really light.
Last month, UH ran its racer in an annual international collegiate event in Lincoln, Nebraska.
The Rainbow Racing team finished 14th out of 80 universities and colleges that entered a car in the competition. It's UH's best finish ever.
Cars were graded on design and cost and how they handle road tests. UH was one of only 8 schools to complete all the events.
The endurance event is really the big one. We're actually running the car for 22 kilometers for about half an hour. So this is really testing, how reliable these cars are as well as their overall performance.
This is the 5th straight year UH entered a car. Finishing 14th is pretty good, considering some schools have been at it for 20 years.
Just, being able to compete with this high caliber of engineering and, experience was really amazing.
The UH engineering department will hang onto the Formula style racer, so next year's team has a blueprint to build on. Jim Mendoza, Hawaii News Now.
Okay, so this is another project our student worked on. Okay, so I'm going to mention a number of student social society club opportunities in our department. So once you get enrolled in a Kim Top department, you can start to explore those opportunities, those clubs. Okay, first is the Mechanical Society or American Society of Mechanical Engineers. So we have a student club, so that's the website. Then we have the Society of Automotive Engineering. So students who are mostly interested in automotives, cars, automobiles. And also we have Society of Women Engineers. So this is another society in our college, actually, not just our department, but our college, Okay. So we only have 15 minutes. That's pretty much what we have. Any questions? I think I have a few minutes to answer any questions you may have.
Is there a link to get to the prerequisites for graduation for mechanical engineering?
There are. It's actually in the catalog. First, you check your, you take a look at your check sheet. Check sheet, it has a list of the courses. Like different column is corresponding to different semesters, a list of courses. And the prerequisite, we often use the prerequisite refer to required courses that you need to take before you take to the next course. And those prerequisites are listed in the course catalog. So we have a description of different courses, and the prerequisite of a specific course is listed in that catalog. And also, every semester, each semester, you are going to have advising sessions with faculty. At that point, it's a good time for you to sit down with the faculty advisor and ask about the prerequisite and ask about the course that you plan to take for the upcoming semesters.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Question? About the program, about the curriculum? Again, like I said, the first 2 years, you're not going to take much of the engineering course. This is not until after the first 2 years. I have a question about here. It's how do you get into the BSME program. If you are admitted by mechanical engineering, you are in the BSME program. You are in this Bachelor of Science program in mechanical engineering. So that is our undergraduate program. So if you are taking other majors and you would like to switch to mechanical engineering, you can talk to the college, the academic advisor regarding the process. But if you have already admitted by mechanical engineering, you are a student in this program, Bachelor of Science program. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, you can find my contact information on the department website. And if you have any questions or if you have any concerns and you want to discuss about your program, your study, anything, you can just send me an email or give me a call. We can discuss. But I think it's a mechanical engineering program is a good program, and most of students enjoy the program, enjoy the study here, and they learned a lot from our program. Okay. Question?